Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds EDIFIER X5 Pro. Firstly, we need to check the Bluetooth, so is it turned on? If you have Android device, open the control panel and enable the Bluetooth here. And if you have iOS, I recommend it to go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and enable it here if it disabled. And after that, tap at your earbuds at the device list, because with Android phones, with some Android phones, it can reconnect automatically, but with my iPhone, you don't want to, so I need to enter to the Bluetooth and tap on it. And maybe you need to also make it on your Android. Then, if it didn't help you, we need to perform soft reset. To perform a soft reset, you need to put your earbuds through the charging case and then close the case. Now your earbuds are disconnected from your phone, and we have the information at the device list. And then you just open it, the charging case, and then remove it. Check, is it connected? Also, I recommend it to, you need to make sure that your charging case and earbuds are charging. So you can connect your earbuds, the charging case, to the power. And if you see the LED light on the front side, meaning that your earbuds are charging. And maybe this is your problem. Next step is to remove and add these earbuds. So, at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. If you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device at the top. And after that, we need to enter pairing mode, so put your earbuds to the charging case. And at the bottom, we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it until the LED light on the front side starts blinking white and red. Here we go. And now we see these earbuds at the device list. So tap on it. And we just connect it. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case and do not close the case. Open the lid. You need to press 3 times and the connectional button at the bottom of your earbuds. And this LED light starts blinking. 1, 2, 3. It starts blinking, so it starts resetting your earbuds. And after that, it entered to pairing mode, so it's starting to flashing white and red. Now we need to remove these earbuds from your device, so at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon, forget the device and forget device. If you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top, and if you have iOS, you can go back and return to the Bluetooth, or just turn on and turn off the Bluetooth. Turn off and turn on. After that, you tap at your earbuds here, and we have connection. Also, I have the last option for you, but maybe it's not the best one, because we need to totally remove network settings. To do this, you need to, on your first, I will show you on Apple device and then on Android. So, on your iPhone, open Settings, then go to the General and scroll down. Right here we have Transfer or Reset iPhone. You need to click on it, then click Reset, and right here you need to select Network Settings. Click on it, now write your password, and click Reset Network Settings. Once you did it, you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks. So you need to know it. Now let's move to Android device. And on your Android, open Settings, and you need to scroll down and find System. Click on it, and then scroll down again. And at the bottom we have reset options. Click on it and then select to reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and then click reset. But once you did it, you will remove all Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!